The Yreka Creek Greenway Oberlin Road Floodplain Restoration Project is the first major greenway project constructed since 1991. The site is located along Yreka Creek, north of Oberlin Road, downstream to the I-5 undercrossing on 20 acres of city lands. The goal of the project is to increase floodplain capacity and reduce flood impacts, improve water quality through effective storm water management, and improve habitat conditions for fish and wildlife on site. Nearly 40,000 cubic yards of materials were excavated to restore 9½ acres of floodplain. Funding for this project was provided by the California Resources Agency, the California Department of Water Resources, and the State Water Resources Control Board. Let's take a moment to explore the map. The light blue zones are floodplain restoration areas. The yellow zones are areas where excavated materials were hauled and stockpiled. Parking and trailhead access are provided off of Oberlin Road. The Greenway Trail, shown here in red, runs north to south through the site. Earthen mounds in the center of the site mark the future bridge location. The trailhead on Oberlin Road provides parking and access to the Greenway Trail. An interpretive panel provides information about the project. Work on this site provides stormwater storage as well as resource and economic benefits to the entire community. Materials were excavated using scrapers working in tandem. GPS was used to guide the machines and control cut and fill. In addition to scrapers, excavators and dump trucks were used to load and haul concrete, asphalt, and other materials previously dumped on site. Excavated materials were hauled to adjacent lands where they were spread and compacted. In flood events, the stream can now access the restored floodplain through sculpted overflow channels on both sides of the creek. We invite you to come out and enjoy the Yreka Creek Greenway.